First of all, in men's singles, Anthony Ginting, one of my favorites, and I have learned a lot of things from him. And he will be against Anders Antonsen. Timing will be 7:10 p.m. It's evening match, and one thing that is clear. Look, Anthony Ginting, he's trying his best in World Championships after those tournaments. Whenever he participated, he is giving his crazy best. But first, he was against Tomajiro Popov, and then next he was against Christo Popov, and that is the thing that will be in his mind, that first round or second round is being a nightmare for him. And right now he will be against Anders Antonsen. Look, no matter what audience say or something, I have always praised Anders Antonsen. He is one of the best players in men's singles after I will say Victor Axelsen. Even at some point, or I will say that the mindset level, I will say that Anders Antonsen doesn't beat Victor Axelsen but go toe to toe with him. But one thing that I like about Victor Axelsen and Anders Antonsen both is whenever they are around 18-19 score, their mindset is like, yes, I am going to win here. Where whole world players get nervous around 18-19 points and they lose match, and at that point this Denmark players just show their mindset. Anders Antonsen showed his mindset when he was against Pranav HS in World Championships. Man, he was losing the match. 2018 scores it was, and I was thinking like, yes, Pranav HS is winning, match is over. And from that moment, Anders Antonsen won that match, and I was like, man, what is the thing that Anders Antonsen is going through in his mind? I just want to learn these things, that the mindset was crazy good. So talking about this match, Anthony Ginting must be looking forward for a win in round of 32 here, because round of 32 is being, I will say, that nightmare for him. Or Tomajiro Popov, Christo Popov, multiple time he is facing top rated players, and that is the thing that happens when you are out of court, out of match for a long time. Your seed gets lower, you have to play against, I will say that any other players, or you get top players against you. So this is the thing. But predicting who will be winning in this particular match, I will say that I am not going to predict here, but what I want is a crazy good match. Whenever Anthony Ginting is performing, whenever Anders Antonsen is performing, I always get a smile on my face, because whenever I see players giving their best on court, no matter which category they are, women's doubles, men's doubles, XD, no matter which category, I always get happy, and this match has the crazy good potential.